Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over here at Long Beach Resort.
So beautiful.
So gorgeous. We're out here on the balcony overlooking the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. This is one of my favorite complexes.
This is a wonderful complex. It's so spread out right here on the sand. It's just great.
4 towers, lots of Gulf frontage. We are in an adorable, ready to go, turnkey ready, 1 bedroom over here on the 4th floor. Just high enough for some views, not so high that you couldn't take the stairs to get the steps in.
Or feeling really weird being too high up.
Yes, exactly. It's perfect height. What I love about this, you have your balcony, as you can see here. It's turnkey ready unit. The owners have taken meticulous care of it, and it's all ready to go. You have everything that you need, whether you want this to be a beach getaway or you want to utilize the really great rental numbers that you get here at Long Beach Resort.
Absolutely.
So one of the things I love about this unit, besides this just ready to go, is they take extra pride in making sure their guests have a wonderful experience. They have one of those Remy Halo air purifiers with the AC, which helps keep the air clean. And we all are just all about our wellness right now, so I think that's an extra little touch. This unit is in the $415 price range. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call. Oh, one more thing. We do want to mention there are some snowbirds in this rental, so we want to honor that rental reservation. So that's something that we want you to be aware of. But give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
And if you want more information, look in the description below. Click on the actual MLS listing link and you get more details.
And don't forget to ring that bell. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.